What's up guys, this is the Welding Machine coming to you guys with another brand new video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Longevity Migweld 140, and then also to come along with that it'll be the Spool Gun 140. So you know, we're going to unbox this and we're going to do some stuff, so stay tuned. Let's get into it, y'all. So first things first, we're gonna unbox the welder before we unbox the spool gun. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I do not have any affiliations with them. But anyway, turn your attention to the welder. Okay. Wow. So, first things first, when I look at this box, is one thing. It's a great, it's a great thing. And my battery's about to die. Are you fucking kidding me? Is that one little rip right there, guys. This letter opener, cut strips off of it, box, and cut it open that way, this way, and make sure you be safe with using knives. It is a solid wire and flux core capable, thermal overload protection, gas or gasless welding, 110 power. A weld aluminum with spool gun recommended. So I got that. Alright, side. I'll pull the straps and toss those to the floor. Now, next thing you look at when you open this is the nozzle. Oh man, it's got a little ding on it. Oh well, it's got a little dingleberry. Anyways, oh, it screws on. That's cool. All right, guys. So we're gonna go one step at a time with everything as much as we can. I'm not gonna open this. It's a good quality MIG gun. It's got a nice little trigger on it like that. Got a little trigger, and you also got a little hanger to hang it on to the side of something. It's a pretty nice MIG gun. It comes with there's the MIG gun right here. We'll get into that. Let's get back to this unboxing. Alright, we're gonna set the MIG gun to the side. Then you get this nice, it's a styrofoam in here. Lift the styrofoam and you got the welder. And then you also got, okay, you get a couple of good consumables. You get the ground, you get the ground, and then you get the gas line. And let's see what else we get in this box of joy. Let's go ahead and get close to it. Alright, so yeah, we get a ground, we get okay, and in this box, you got your wire brush, you got a wire brush, and you got some consumables, and you get a lens, and some free tips that come with that. I'm gonna put that back in there. Let's see what else. Welder, we're gonna set the box to the side. We got the Longevity MIG 140 right there. But before we get into that, we're gonna open this other little box that came with it. And this is what comes with it. This is some 030, .030, let's see if we can get it. Here we go, .030 2-pound ER70S6. And this is carbon steel wire that comes with it. So that's pretty cool. You get a new one of those. 2 pounds, that's what's up. We're gonna test it out. The next is we got a regulator for the welder. We got a regulator for the welder. There we go. Got a regulator. See how high quality this regulator is. Okay, it's not a bad regulator. It's a pretty good regulator. Right here you got your everything feels like it's steady and not gonna fall off or anything. we got the working pressure, and then you got the, you know, that's for the gauge to see how much gas is in the cylinder. So it's a pretty decent looking regulator. It's nice. It's functional. Longevity. Let's see. What am I looking at? We got a nice finish, a nice paint job. Everything's solid. Got an on and off switch. All right. So the voltage you can go all the way up to 10. Is, I guess you could say, limitless. You know, you can go as much up as much as you want, but it stops at 10. So I say probably about 11. And then for the wire feed, it's all the way up to, I'll say, maybe 110. So we look at it, it's a nice paint job, you know, it's a nice looking welder. You got 200 to 140 amps. It's a DIY, so it's mostly targeted towards do-it-yourselfers like me, and also you can use this as an industrial machine for side, you know, portability. It's 40 pounds. It's kind of bulky and heavy, you know, if you got to carry this thing around. That's the only downside to it, but it's still portable. I mean, it's still lighter than some of your average welders that's out there. Call Welding advertising at freeweldform.com. Bam. Longevity, the power to last, TM. So it's, you know, whatever that is. But yeah, this is not. All right, we're gonna take a look at the back of the machine. We're gonna spin it around. Sticker. It says, you know, you can read it. It's got to be on a 20 amp breaker, and it's one phase and hertz, 60 hertz. And then right here you got a little breaker. There you go. You got a circuit breaker, so if it trips the breaker, you just push it back in. You got a nice little fan. I think it's metal. I'm not for sure. We'll open it up in another video to do a in-depth about this unit. And then you got the gas plug-in right here. Then you got your nice heavy duty, I think it's about maybe about a 6-foot cord. Not extension cord, but a cord to go with the welder. So that's what it looks like, nice and heavy duty. So we're gonna spin this, we're gonna spin it around and show you guys what the inside looks like. Pull it up, bam, open it up. All right, so the first things I know about this unit, right? Let me take switch, it says spool gun, and then Migweld gun. Make sure if you use a spool gun, have spool gun on. If you have MIG welding on, MIG welding on. I keep it on MIG welding right now. Okay, so the spool, I would say, I think it's 11 pounds and heavy duty. It locks in, the spool locks in with that. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. It's nice and plastic, you know, it's flexible, durable. Now we're gonna look at the components right here. Okay, the casters. It's got a nice spring to it. You got two sides of the casters. You got, I'm pretty sure, you know, the 030, and then you got the 020, and you can buy new casters and stuff for it. And you got the tensioner right here. This little black piece that slides up. You can tension it right there by twisting this. Twisting it down to make it spool out faster. And then also, if I sound like I'm rambling, I'm sorry guys. You got your ground and you got your hot. Now we'll get into that later, but if you look at these, you know, you got a nice little setup right here. Everything seems bolted down, really good, sturdy, you know, everything looks great. You got your hot attached to your you got your hot attached to your lead for your MIG welding gun. And then you got your gas line, and it's right there. It runs all the way up through the top, and then it runs into the back to this gas line hose right here. Right there, guys. That's not bad. It's a good, decent looking welder. All right, you know, first things I see, you know, yes, it's cheap, so you get with your money. But yes, guys, you got your wire, your type, your speed, and everything. But yeah. And then boom. Now for your MIG gun. Your MIG gun, it gives you the part number for your liner and your contact tip, your contact tip, your tube contact, and your gain. And that is the liner inside your gun. And a gas diffuser comes with the part number, gas nozzle, and it comes with the part numbers for it. So that's very helpful, you know, very, very helpful. So right now, we're gonna go ahead and look at the MIG gun. We're gonna shut this down. And notice, this is right, as soon as you flip it up, as soon as you flip your welding thing up, you go bam, it's right there. And you got everything else. It's nice and clean and neat. I like that. I like that longevity. And it locks back. You gotta lift it up, drop the latch, and boom. The moment you guys been waiting for. Dun dun dun. We're gonna paste the camera down like so. On this box, this is the spool gun. This is what I've been waiting for. I don't care about the Migweld. Not really. I mean, it'll make life easier out in the field. So first thing first, when I look at this box, average size box. It looks kind of dirty, to be honest with you, but maybe it's the facility. And it looks very old, like dusty. Yeah, look at that dust. I don't think you can see the dust on my hand. Let's see if you can't see the dust on my hand. Maybe if I move my hand out the light, you guys can see the dust on this thing. Look at the dust. You see that? Dust. Oh, that's all. It's like clean dust off. First thing I know in the box is you get a 6-month warranty. So you're on get a warranty on spool gun. You know, you get a warranty. Yeah, so 6 warranty from the top. Also, that with the Migweld 40 and Migweld 200 test. Well, spool gun size 1 pound weight and with a 40 diameter spool. Works with aluminum wire size 030 to 035. Wow, look at that. You get 2 little tips. 2 little tips right there. 2 little tips right there. All the same size as the wire. I mean, oh, bolt wrap. I mean, the bolt wrap. Like, what's gonna protect? It's not gonna protect nothing. I mean, the air goes sucks out of it. The welder came better package. Okay, I'll just take up for the gun. It's making like the packaging for this is like horrible. Like, I don't think that's protect. But do we know this is the only main spool gun. And the welder spool gun. I just think it's spool. Alright, so only main spool gun. Go to warranty. Shot kills. No. Tips. No. Okay, go. So you know, this is what. Let's see if that's pretty good. Okay, so it says process. It says aluminum and also welded. Spool and it says rated weld current is 130 amps at 37 cycle. So what that means is so that means that you weld 3 minutes straight out of 10 minutes. 12 volts DC. RP speed rate is 1 to 13 millimeters. 1.0. Yeah, 13 millimeters. I mean, use like a welding equipment specified. But yeah, it tells you the flow rate. It's a 10-foot spool gun and has a whole bunch of helpful information. So you guys check out longevity. I mean, I'll have a link in the description of where I bought mine from, but I'm not associated with these people. Spool gun, because this is what I've been waiting for. I don't care about everything else. So here's the spool gun. It's like a little pistol. It's 10 foot. 10-foot spool gun. Nice trigger. I like it. I like it. You got the drive rolls inside. Shouldn't be too hard to set up. It's got a couple of screws and stuff like that. It's pretty good. 10 foot. I mean, I can run this 10 feet away, and I got a 100-foot extension cord to go along with it. You got a spring in here that tightens down, and I thought this came with a darn aluminum spool. I thought it did. Maybe I was wrong. I mean, I thought it did. It seemed like it would anyways. God dang cheapskates. Anyways, they don't come with a spool, which is a downer. Because I thought it did. I mean, people said it did anyways. But yeah, it's a pretty decent looking spool gun. I mean, it's good for the money. And yeah, I'm kind of mad it didn't come with aluminum spool. Now I gotta go spend money to go get an aluminum spool. What kind of crap is that? I mean, when you pay 100 and something, you think you're gonna get a free spool. I didn't get one. I swear if it says include spool, I'm gonna be ticked off. This is, oh, you already know who I am. Alright, so this is a good buy. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna power it up with a generator, 10,000. Ranger 10,000. A Lincoln electric generator. We're gonna power it up. Got a 100-foot drop cord to go with this to test it out because it's gonna be my mobile aluminum welding and also MIG welding. And also I'm gonna try to do dual shield flux core with it. So keep an eye out for that video because it's coming soon. Dual shield flux core welding with this. I'm gonna be the first one to do it. And we're gonna do some aluminum welding. Multiple aluminum videos coming soon to you guys. Especially for the DIY, especially for the portability. It's 40 pounds. I mean, if you can get past the 40 pounds, and it's, you know, if you can get past the 40-pound weight, you should be fine. Comment, rate, and subscribe. If you are new, hit that bell and notification. Ding, 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 ding. And welding machine out. Y'all take it easy. Outro. Full spill black. Full spill black. One spool gun, 1 spool mild steel, 1 pound full spill black. Anyways, this is gonna be a great whatever. And freaking tongue twisters, man. What the frick?